Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AMD Radeon Software if it's not opening in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have Epic Games right here, Steam, right-click on it, exit, right-click, exit as well, and also AMD if you got it running in the background, okay? Exit out. Now, once that's done, go ahead over to the search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. So just click on the file folder, and in here we're going to find Epic Games Launcher. Double click, go ahead over to saved, double click, find logs, click on it. Also, web cache. Okay, delete both of them, just like so. Now go ahead and go back, find AMD, double click, find the CN folder, click on it, delete it, close this one, and finally just restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix the AMD Radeon software if it's not opening in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.